हेलो गाइस, अभी मेरे किसी फ्रेंड ने मेरे को टैग किया एक पोस्ट पे एंड इट्स यू कैन सी 4:46 in the morning while I'm shooting this video because I thought that there's an urgency that people should know, people should be aware of this. I don't know, it's not a fact क्योंकि ये मैंने कमेंट किसी का देखा है एंड इट मेड सेंस टू मी, इट मेक सेंस टू मी. मेरे को लगा कि ये चीज़ हो सकती है पॉसिबल बिकॉज दिस मेक्स लॉट ऑफ सेंस. क्योंकि मैं आपको जैसे बताऊंगा इस वीडियो में पूरा, तो यू विल नो कि वाई एम आई टेलिंग दिस एंड आई विल शेयर यू द कंप्लीट स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस सो दैट आपको पता चले कि ये क्या है. सो एक लड़की है, उसका नाम है लियो and he कह रही है कि now this makes sense. This is what might have happened with Sushant Singh. Suraj Pancholi called Sushant Singh's ex-manager Disha Salani to their penthouse for party. Present in the party were Albaz Khan, Aditya Thackeray, that is CM's son, Riya Chakrabarti's brother and many other celebrities. They raped Disha Salani and they threw her from her own house, which is on 14th floor, to make it look like suicide. Disha had the time to call and inform Sushant Singh between the rape and her death. Sushant, after knowing the truth, told Sandeep Singh and Riya everything. Sandeep informed Suraj and Aditya. Since that day, they had been giving him death threats, him as in Sushant, and told Sushant not to open his mouth to the cops or media. Sushant kept changing his SIM cards 50 times between 9th June to 13th June. He was really scared of his life and would even sleep in his car out of fear. In the meanwhile, Riya went and told everything to Mahesh Bhatt and he advised her to leave Sushant's house immediately. She left his house on 10th June and blocked his number. Sandeep Singh and Riya realized Sushant wasn't going to keep quiet for long and snitched to Aditya Thackeray. That's when the murderers planned to shut Sushant Singh for good. Riya agreed to the plan because her own brother was in the party to this rape and murder. On the night of 13th June, which is also Aditya Thackeray's birthday, they planned to throw a party at Sushant's place. The CCTV camera of his building was switched off on the night of the party, but the CCTV cameras of the opposite building, this should be noted, CCTV cameras of the other building, which is right opposite, CCTV camera of the opposite building caught Aditya Thackeray entering Sushant's party. They strangled him with his own dog's belt and killed him. Many of the cops arrived on the scene were fake cops sent to manipulate the case and destroy evidence. The ambulance that came to pick him up belonged to Baba Siddiqui, which instead of taking Sushant to a good nearest hospital, took him to Cooper Hospital, which is very much far from Bandra, where Sushant lived. Cooper Hospital has the team of most corrupt doctors, and they gave a clean chit to murderers by declaring in the medical report Sushant death reason is due to hanging. This is the only reason a great soul like Sushant died was. अब ये पढ़ के I don't know इसमें कितने फैक्ट्स हैं कितने फैक्ट्स नहीं हैं, if that person is talking on the behalf of facts or not, but this is just a comment which is floating in Instagram and it came across me. मेरे को लगा कि काफ़ी लोगों को पता होना चाहिए कि this could be a story, this can be a story. I'm not sure if this is a story or not, but there is a very high chance that this could be the story because आप देखो सारे पजल्स के पीसेस जो हैं वो मैच कर रहे हैं एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ फॉलिंग इनटू प्लेस. सो व्हाट आई थिंक इज़ कि I think I'm 99% sure that this is the story, this is the real reason what happened. And अब कुछ भी हो सकता है, मैं कुछ बोल नहीं सकता हूँ बिकॉज मेरे पास ऑनेस्टली बीइंग वेरी फ्रैंक, मैं फैक्ट्स के साथ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. मैं जस्ट आई एम शेयरिंग यू अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ अ गर्ल हु सेड दिस. मे बी शी हैड फैक्ट्स, वो फैक्ट्स के बेसिस पे बोल रही है. यू कैन गो थ्रू द स्क्रीनशॉट, यू कैन चेक इट आउट. If it makes sense to you, then well and good. If it doesn't, then I really apologize because I don't apologize. Why should I apologize? If it didn't make sense to you, that's okay. That's your perspective and that is my perspective. It made sense to me and I'm sharing it to you all with the medium of YouTube. So I am not sure what it is, but I hope truth shall prevail. जैसा कि रिया ने बोला, truth shall prevail and she should taste her own words very soon. So उसे अपने स्वाद चखने का मौका मिलेगा जल्दी. तो जल्दी देखते हैं. सुप्रीम कोर्ट की भी हियरिंग आ गई है. सुप्रीम कोर्ट wants CBI to investigate. So CBI is into the matter and hopefully everything will fall into places and we will know who the real culprits are. So that's all guys.